Hey everyone, so we're doing home fun at my kitchen table, and we were looking at this question number 9, and I just did it, and I have this answer here, and as I went through, then I went and graphed it, and I was like, oh my word, I did it completely wrong. So I'm looking at it, and it says this: I've got f of x equals x squared, and that would be the blue line. Then I've got g of x is 1 over x, and it shows me the window, so the x's go up to 5, the y's go up to 5. Sketch the graph of the sum by adding the y coordinates. And so I'm like, oh, that means I'll find the average of the y coordinates. Well, no wonder there was confusion at my kitchen table, because I was not doing it right. I just went and graphed it on Desmos after making you a 5-minute video and realized I didn't do it right. So what happens when you do things wrong? You have a chance for your brain to grow, so my brain is growing right now. So I'm going to read the question more again. It says, by adding the y coordinates. Well, adding the y coordinates and averaging the y coordinates are not the same thing. So I'm going to try again. And I'm going to start right here, because I can see where they meet that they're at 1. And it says right here, by adding the y coordinates. Great. Okay, the y coordinates of this are both 1. So 1 plus 1 means my new coordinate is right here. Alright, now I'm going to move over. Let's see. This one right here, I can see that I'm at like 1/2. And then if I go up 2, I'm at 4, because I just know that. So I add the two of them together. 4 plus 1/2 is 4.5. All right. Right here, this is like 1/2. Well, on the blue, 1/2 times 1/2 would be 1/4. And right here, it looks like it's about 2. So that means it's going to be like 2 1/4. Okay, now, would it make sense that in each place, if I'm adding whatever the red is, the purple's going to be a little bit higher. So it's going to have to, like, it won't actually touch the red. And then here's going to be its lowest point. And then stuff is going to start going up again. See that perfectly straight line that I'm drawing on my whiteboard? It's actually going to look more like that, because every time you're just adding stuff. And so it's got to be bigger than the red line. It's got to be bigger than the blue line, because you're always adding something on. So it kind of goes in between the two, with the minimum point where they meet. So the minimum point would be at 2. There you have it. That was a challenging question for me. Maybe it was for you. And now, maybe it's better.